All right, fun with fire. Doing a little box fountain tonight. Just to scratch the pyro itch just a little bit. We got Cannon brand Golden Flowers Fountain. Mid showers and sparks. CannonFireworks.com. Get connected. There's all your little golden flowers right there. Oh, flowers for me. Fellas, if you didn't get uh your wife any flowers, show her this video. Get your wife the golden flowers fountain. Yeah. And there you see the Safe and Sane seal of approval. That's actually pretty cool artwork, huh? And there's your code, the Y22071. Made in China, of all places. Pretty cool. So let's check out golden flowers. One of the things I love about Canon is usually the crackling is really loud. But this is a little box fountain. I don't expect any crackling. But you never know with these guys. So let's check out golden flowers. It's a beautifully cold February Saturday evening. Nothing else better to do but to light this guy up. All right, let's light it up. Oh, I think this lighter is pretty much done. Hold on. Nope, still a little bit of life left in it. Not much. Oh, nice. Look at the golden flowers. Beautiful golden flowers. Golden flowers. It's a candle. Make a wish. Breathe it in. Golden flowers. Sweet.